To hit Louisiana and the Texas coast later tonight. So let's check in with meteorologist Dave Aguilera. And Dave, landfall is just hours away.
Yeah, real close. Take a look. This hurricane has some wheels on it, Mackenzie. If you could see, already spreading huge amounts of rain across Louisiana all the way up into Memphis here. If we take you down, here's what it looks like now. Within a few hours, it probably will make landfall in southern Louisiana here, and maybe by about 6 o'clock this evening with 105-mile-per-hour winds move across Lake Charles here. Now, initially when it hits landfall here, some of those areas could see up to 8 to 10 inches of rain, so there will be flooding as well. And I think the wind damage is going to be huge out there. Once it makes landfall too, it'll probably spark a few tornadoes down there and a lot of lightning in a lot of areas. The good thing about this storm now, it's a rough storm. It's Category 2, and that's probably how it will make landfall. It is moving so quickly that by the time we get to Sunday, it'll be all the way up here past Nashville here, so it's not going to sit there and just dump and dump and dump. It's going to drop some rain. It'll be heavy rain and then move on out of here. If it is any of that going back to Colorado, I've had a few people ask. The answer is no. Right now, you can see they already have flood warnings going on there. They've already had about 2, 3, 4 inches of rain right along the coastline there. But high pressure over Colorado and the Central Rockies is going to keep all that moisture going out east. So we will see no effects from this storm here in Colorado. We will see effects from that storm up there that's moving into Portland. More on that in a minute. Want to take another hazy look at the city, but you could actually make out the buildings downtown from Lookout Mountain. So a little better air quality today. It's still poor and it's still unhealthy air to breathe in, but it's a little bit better today. Phil Curry, our weather watcher in East Franktown, coming in at 79 and a 77 in Lakewood from Ronald Sherwood out there. Now, here's the forecast in the storm coming into Seattle and Portland. Now, we'll be ahead of it tomorrow, but there'll be a huge pressure gradient between this high and that low coming in. So we're going to see a lot of wind blasting through Colorado tomorrow. That's going to boost the fire danger for us around here. And then once we get to Sunday morning, we start to see this move into Wyoming. It's still going to be dry for us. It's not until Sunday afternoon we start to see a little moisture come in. Could have low elevation rain, and in the mountains, maybe up above 10,000 feet, 1 or 2 inches of snow. The only problem is this is so far north and moving so quickly, we're not going to see much rainfall from Denver out over the eastern plains. So for us, maybe a brief shower Sunday night, and that's going to be about it, unfortunately. Fire danger tomorrow will be over eastern Colorado and in some of the foothills and the northwestern corner of the state during the afternoon tomorrow, with those winds coming in about 35 miles per hour. Until then, enjoy your Friday. We're looking at 80s and 90s down low with 70s and 60s up high. So heat and smoke today, the record is 87. We're going for 85 for the forecast. We're going to be close to that. We're already at 82. 84 tomorrow, but wind will be kicking up, especially in the afternoon ahead of that system. On Sunday, 77 with isolated showers in the afternoon and evening. And again, most of the moisture is going to be in the mountains and west. They need it too out there. And then we stay in the 70s Monday and Tuesday as well. And if we take that 4 more days, we've got another shot next Thursday of seeing some isolated rain showers come in and a little cool down of 50s and 60s there as well. A little fall feel coming back into the picture there. So Mackenzie, unfortunately for eastern Colorado on Sunday, we're not going to get much moisture, but the mountains and west, they should get a pretty good soaking at least coming up on Sunday.
Sounds great. They need it. Thanks so much, Dave. We'll stay up to date on